It starts at 9, I open Salesforce again, staring at a pipeline that's been cold since last Zen. I had a quota, thought I crushed it this Q, but every deal I had just ghosted. What do? I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end they went with a competitor. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to send 5 follow-ups to get a reply. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried to close so hard, the deal fell through, and I cried. One thing, I don't know why my AE keeps saying multi-thread or die. Gone from the gatekeeper straight to the CTO. Booked a meeting, sent a deck, they said let's circle back though. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it's not in budget right now. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I like the CEO's post for 40 days straight. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I personalized that cold email and still got no reply. I had a deal, a good deal, enterprise, 6 figures Q3. They said they loved the demo, they said, and I quote, "We're definitely moving forward." Then the CFO left, then the champion left, then the company got acquired, then I got a new territory.